To be a man is to suffer for others. God help us be men. I am convinced that the truest act of courage, the strongest act of manliness, is to sacrifice ourselves for others in a totally non-violent struggle for justice. We don't need perfect political systems, we need perfect participation. Preservation of one's own culture does not require contempt or disrespect for other cultures. Our language is the reflection of ourselves. A language is an exact reflection of character and growth of its speakers. Once social change begins, it cannot be reversed. You cannot uneducate the person who has learned to read. You cannot humiliate the person who feels pride. You cannot oppress the people who are not afraid anymore. We draw our strength from the very despair in which we have been forced to live. We shall endure. If you really want to make a friend, go to someone's house and eat with him. The people who give you their food give you their heart. In some cases, non-violence requires more militancy than violence. Non-violence means people in action. People have to understand that with non-violence goes a hell of a lot of organization. From the depth of need and despair, people can work together, can organize themselves to solve their own problems and fill their own needs with dignity and strength. Being of service is not enough. You must become a servant of the people. When you do, you can demand their commitment in return. There is no turning back. We will win. We are winning because ours is a revolution of the mind and heart. Years of misguided teaching have resulted in the destruction of the best in our society, our cultures, and in the environment. A word as to the education of the heart. We don't believe that this can be imparted through books. It can only be imparted through the loving touch of the teacher.